Well, hey, you guys, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. Tonight I'm going to show you a rather odd but classic quesadilla. So, let's get started. We are going to make a corned beef and cabbage with cheese quesadilla. I know it sounds kind of weird, but it is delicious. Stay tuned to watch. Watch the whole video because there's going to be a surprise at the end and a giveaway. Okay, so we have corned beef, we have some cheese, we have some avocado, guacamole. I know I've cheated, but I do have avocados, you guys. They're just not ripe. Look at that. They're not ripe, and I had to buy them, yes, but they're not ripe. A couple more days. And we have some sour cream. And the key ingredient, some coleslaw right here. If you guys watched my video the other night, we used this and we're going to be using it again. So this is a classic quesadilla. So it's Taco Tuesday, but we're not making tacos. We're making taquitos and they're store-bought. I know. I need to make my own rolled tacos or taquitos, whatever you guys want to call them. But hey, who makes corned beef and cabbage with cheese quesadillas, right? So I decided to come on here and show you guys how I do it. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my pan on, and we are going to put some cheese on the bottom of the pan on the tortilla. And this is a burrito-sized tortilla. Since we have some taquitos, we are going to be sharing this because it's going to be chock full of yummy goodness, and we are going to be sharing. So between the taquitos and the quesadilla, it's going to be very filling. And I have a lot of cheese, as you can see. Actually, I'm going to take a little bit out because I don't want to grate anymore. I've already re-vacuum sealed it. So the heat is on. This is going to be melting. Let's get the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so I have the corned beef. We are just going to lay here just like that. I think I have 4 or 5 pieces right here. And sorry, excuse my hand, you guys. So this is only on medium heat so that it doesn't burn or get too hot while I put the other ingredients on there. So I'm going to put, well, I've got 5 pieces, so I'm just going to put 5 on there. So, hey, the more the merrier, right? If there's not going to be anything left. Okay, so let's get the cabbage. Okay, so I have my handful of cabbage. We are just going to spread that on here. We don't want too much. It's probably not enough because we also have guacamole and sour cream to put on this. So who has ever made a corned beef and cabbage quesadilla? Well, we have, and it's really, really good. Okay, I'm going to put the rest of this. We don't want that big piece in there. We just want the shredded nice pieces like that. Okay, let's go get some sour cream and avocado guacamole. Okay, so I'm going to put some sour cream on here. A little bit here and there, just a little dollop. Okay. And then we're going to add some guacamole to this. If you guys have not tried this, I know it sounds like a really weird combination, but trust me, it's really, really good. Okay, so now we're going to add some guacamole to it. I know everybody thinks I'm crazy for this, but when you taste it, nobody thinks I'm crazy anymore. Okay, so we're going to put this on here just like that. Finish up with a little bit more. Okay, I think that's about it. We want to save some for the taquitos, and now we have another tortilla. And we're going to put this on the top like that. And we're just going to press down without burning my wrist. Okay. Just like that. Even it all out. Okay, so we're going to let it cook for a few minutes. Probably about 3 minutes. Let it heat all the way through. And then we're going to turn it over. Make sure it's all situated and even. Okay. 3 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, so while that is heating through, I just want to show you guys what I bought. I bought 2 pounds of sliced corned beef. from Smart and Final, which is First Street here. This cost me about $14.99, $15. For 2 pounds. We're going to use this all week long for sandwiches and stuff like that. But you can also use it for different things like this. So it's an all-around good deal. Very cheap when it comes to buying corned beef. You don't have to cook it yourself, and we buy this quite often. And then just store it in the refrigerator. My husband has it for sandwiches, and we just enjoy it for dinners and things like that with sandwiches. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this up and put it in the refrigerator, and then I'm going to go turn that over. Okay, so I just turned this over. Have my handy little spatula right here. Just turned it over. It's nice and crispy, which is what we want, and I put no oil or anything in here. If you guys want it more crispy, you can put some oil in the pan. I'm just going to press it down just a little bit more. You can see the avocado coming out over here, so we really don't want that, because I'm going to cut it with a pizza cutter when this is done. And the taquitos are right there. Okay, so let this cook, and I'm going to put it on a plate so I can cut it. Okay, so there is the quesadilla all taken out. And you can see how thick it is. We're going to let that cool and just settle for a second. I have the plates arranged, both plates. I'm going to eat the taquitos and show you how I serve this. Super simple dinner, guys. Okay, so I've cut it all with the pizza cutter, with this right here. And now we are going to serve it with the taquitos, which has guacamole, sour cream, olives, and a little bit of red sauce on it, along with some chips. We're just going to add some of the quesadilla. Okay, so here is the finished product. Here is the quesadilla. And I will tell you that I put too much guacamole and sour cream, but that's fine. It's just kind of spreading out. It's fine. Okay, so we got quesadilla, taquitos, and some chips. Awesome. Super easy meal, super quick. Thanks for watching. Word of the day is going to be quesadilla. So, however you spell it, it's fine. I will be doing a search in the comments for that word. Make sure that you're subscribed, like the video, and please share. It really helps my videos to get out there. And I really appreciate you guys sharing the videos. I know a lot of you guys do that, and I really appreciate it. So enjoy. If you have any questions, please email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com, and I will see you soon. Don't forget, comment the word of the day, which is quesadilla. Thanks for watching. See you soon.